rest of the afternoon, windy with it too, and very pretty chilly all round as a result. And take care for the
Great Western Railway sponsors the ITV Meridian weather.
Now, feel free at sickness signal. Do tune in for more of the day's news and the latest weather. But that is all for the lunchtime today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a lovely afternoon. Bye bye.
When we manage, we will benefit.
They're going to downsize. Let some people go.
You messed up, we just need to keep going. I've been bullied.
Watch your back.
New drama across 3 nights. Sticks and Stones. Starts Monday at 9 on ITV.
Sanjeev Bhaskar is the man with the questions, kicking off your Wednesday afternoon quiz action with all new The Switch at 3. But first, we're heading to Lincoln for today's